Come on, dog. Come on. Don't bark. Hey guys, it's Chase here with another video. Today, I don't really have a video planned out today, so I'm just walking around with the pups. Checking out what's going on. Get out of the house. Relax, enjoy nature. I will do a face reveal soon if I can get like, let's say I'm gonna get up to if we can get up to 30 subscribers, then I'll do a face reveal. Yeah. So just you can get this likes and get this I don't know how to do this. Up and stuff. So oh, you know. Oh yeah, I got new shoes. Dank as hell. Real nice. Hoppers, what are you doing? Hoppers, what are you doing? Ew. Stop peeing on everything. Good lord. You've peed 3 times already. Stop peeing so much. Dog's got some... Barley! And that's why you call him Hops. I don't know if you guys caught that, but he just jumped over the fence. He likes to jump. Hoppers! Hoppers! Jump! Jump! Hops! Come on! Jump! Good boy! His parents were champion field dogs. So he's got some jump to him. We're thinking about putting him in the air sports because he jumps so high. So, hey! No! Be nice. There it is again. Something's barking off the distance, scaring the dogs. Not scaring them, but pissing them off. Especially this big moose. Barley! 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 Barley, come here. Come here.
Oi, Jacob, Bobby. Hey, Jacob, Bobby.
As you can see, they're both labs, except Barley's actually, Hops is actually about his good size. He's pretty small compared to him. He's actually full grown right now. He's gonna be almost 2. Hops is the black one. Barley's the big fat brown one. His mom was really tall, so that's why he's so large. So, and Hops is just, I don't know. There he goes again. Come on, Hoppers. There he goes. Alright, guys. Well, I guess that will be the video today. But, you know, oh, there he goes again. Hoppers, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Taking a shit. I'm not showing it on YouTube. Come on, Hoppers. Oh, don't run into me, please. Hey, enough. Hey, quit fighting. Don't, you see, that's what you get. You stupid. Enough.